Bang bang! Yes, so welcome back to the channel, viewers and subscribers. It has been confirmed that popular producer Shabdon, aka Shabdon the Snake, according to Serpi from Politics Watch, has been arrested by the police special operation unit and also charged for the illegal possession of a firearm, which is a glat and ammunition. He was arrested with one of his cronies and presently in custody at the Halfway Tree police station. So viewers and subscribers, the producer was picked up during a targeted raid in the corporate area.
Instigating just to get your picture.
So people, we remember what the year when Serpi come out and outline numerous things that producer Shabdon was involved in the Montego Bay section of the island concerning his involvement in crime and most of the incident that is taking place in the parish. Well, viewers and subscribers, it come like most of that information was true, and the police was also doing their investigation on the popular producer at the same time. Serpi just bring it to the light to make each and every Jamaican know what really are going on with the producer. And yeah. Me know someone go come and say a Serpi fault and a Serpi make this happen to the producer. But look into it, with or without Serpi, the police was doing their investigation and Shabdon from a long time ago. Them just never have nothing concrete at the moment for arrest the producer.
Fam, them no know where you go. Shabdon they want to set up. If you kill my brother, me hood, I must fuck you up. I not disrespect me, G, you want my family love you. But some pussy that's attack at them no know where you go.
Yes, so viewers and subscribers, it is also alleged that Shabdon set up Squash brother G-Man secretly by giving the police information on him and make them slap out him head. Recently, Squash made a song titled No Doubt to dispute what Serpi said. But at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, you know how Mobile things set up when it comes to Shabdon in Mobile. The producer is no sprat and him have a whole heap attack in that section of the island. Yeah, you know him can make a bag of things happen, viewers and subscribers. So whole heap of people come out and I say afraid Squash Freda, the producer make him have to come out with the song there because him can't just diss the producer outrightly just so. Because to me, Shabdon have more talk in the streets, in a Mobile than Squash. Maybe if G-Man was alive, it wouldn't be the same. But at the end of the day right now, I saw the thing set up. So in the song, Squash make it look like say, yeah, if him did know say the producer do it, he would have do back things. But at the end of the day, viewers and subscribers, I know saw the thing set up. You understand what I mean? You see it, and at the end of the day, him have to still know where him talk to, because at the end of the day, him don't want a target on him head as an artist, because you know say as an artist, him have to go places, him have to go stage show, and all of them things, the viewers and subscribers. So pick sense out and nonsense, and you will see what me I say. Even if him did do about the producer thing, him can't just make it be known just so. Yes, so viewers and subscribers, Nationwide News has reported that popular music producer Shabdon is in police custody. The JCF Corporate Communication Unit CCU say that Shabdon is being held on reasonable suspicion of illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition. Shabdon was arrested recently by the police specialized operation unit. He is in custody at the Halfway Tree police station. Shabdon's given name is Linval Thompson Jr. He is otherwise known as Shabadon or Shaba. The music producer is one half of the production duo known as Shabdon Records. He has worked with a host of high-profile artists including Squash and Vybz Kartel. Shabdon is well known in the music industry. He is viewed as a controversial figure in several inner-city communities in Montego Bay, St. James. So when you hear that, my people, it is no more alleged. It is confirmed that the JCF Special Operation Unit caught the producer red-handed. And to my knowledge, viewers and subscribers, at the same police them will go for popular artist Tamily. Yeah, at them same one go for producer Shabdon. It is also alleged that the gun where them find in the possession of the producer could or perhaps be linked to multiple crimes and violence in the parish. So my people, me don't know how the popular producer are going to get out of this. Maybe him are going to make him associate where he get caught with him, take the blame for the gun. I don't know. But Jaja, it looks sticky upon the popular producer. And with no doubt, viewers and subscribers, Shabdon is one of the most popular and baddest producer right now in the music industry. No joke. So this is my intake on the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. A man have to know where you want out of life. You can't want to be an artist, slash producer, slash entertainer, and at the end of the day, you still want involved in a crime. No, 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 that no work, viewers and subscribers. You have to choose your destiny and choose it wisely. You understand what I mean? Because you don't know, nothing no hide forever, and anything we in the dark have to come to the light. You understand what I mean? At the moment, me only know, viewers and subscribers, that Shabdon is one of the biggest producers right now in Jamaica at the moment. You understand what I mean? Have a whole catalog of song with various artists. You understand what I mean? So him no need for do this at the moment. Me no say at the end of the day before your boss, maybe I did do a certain thing, but at the end of the day we can draw ourselves and know say watch out that was then. And this is now, because at the end of the day, the situation here where the producer find himself in. Him not for there so right now, because at the end of the day, money I make, you link with various artists, you push out some of the artists tune them right now. Low the badness thing, brother. Low the badness thing. That's all I can advise all of the man them right now. Because, you know, at the end of the day, you know, I'm going to two places put you right now, you know, and it's either in a cell block or under the ground, 6 feet 6. You understand? And that no make no sense for at the end of the day, you get a certain glory, viewers and subscribers. And you can't even live to enjoy it. That no make no sense. So, when me I try to show all of the artists them right now, producer, entertainer, anything you want to be, is just choose a road, brother. Just choose a road and know where you want out of life. Because you can't want both worlds. You can't want to be a good citizen in the eyes of the people and then behind cover, behind the door, you do wrongs. You send go buy gun, you send go buy ammunition and all sort of things. Them things they don't make sense. Choose the road you want and choose it wisely. Every ghetto youth dream is to make it out of poverty. So why at the end of the day, when you make it out of poverty, you go defeat your own purpose by doing wrongs and doing crime at the end of the day when you know say it now have nowhere to take your viewers and subscribers. And this is just a message to all of the producer slash artist slash entertainer right now where young in the business and I plan to come do the same thing. Just know what you want because it not gonna work. You understand what I mean? You can't want be a law-abiding citizen at the end of the day while still doing crime. Choose the road, brother, and choose it wisely. You understand? Because as when I say, crime won't go take you to a place and me don't know what that is. So right now, I'm not lie. I bend the road where the producer take right now. Because at the end of the day, as when I said before, him never for there. So you understand what I mean? And hope if him bust the case and him get off of it, at the end of the day, he change him ways and change them little life there. You understand what I mean? Because to me see this thing right now, this thing sticky. It come like a whole heap of thing this gun involving viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And Jaja, you don't know, it's a sticky situation. So that was my intake on the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. So just remember to like, share, drop a comment into the comment section. Don't be afraid to be a part of the community and subscribe to the channel and click the bell notification so that you can get notified whenever I upload any new content, viewers and subscribers. So peace, I'm out. Big up on yourself.